Pomegranates are nutrient-dense fruits with numerous health benefits. 1. High in antioxidants. Pomegranates contain potent antioxidants, such as punicalagins and anthocyanins, which help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 2. Heart health. They may improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and preventing the buildup of plaque in arteries. 3. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in pomegranates may inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and prostate cancers. 4. Improve digestive health. Pomegranates are rich in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy digestive system by preventing constipation and supporting gut health. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory effects of pomegranates may help reduce inflammation and symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. 6. Boosted immune function. Their high vitamin C content supports the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. 7. Potential brain health. Some research suggests that pomegranate antioxidants may improve memory and cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 8. Skin benefits. Pomegranate extracts or consuming the fruit may protect the skin from sun damage, promote collagen production, and contribute to healthier skin. 9. Aids in weight management. Due to their high fiber content and low calories, pomegranates can help keep you full for longer, potentially aiding in weight loss or maintenance. 10. Improved exercise performance. Drinking pomegranate juice may enhance exercise performance by increasing blood flow and delaying fatigue. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet, whether consumed as whole fruit, juice, or added to various dishes, can provide a range of health benefits. However, individuals with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before significantly altering their diet. Absolutely, pomegranates are remarkable fruits with a rich history and an array of qualities beyond their health benefits. Culinary versatility. Pomegranates aren't just nutritious. They add a burst of flavor and color to various dishes, from salads to sauces, desserts, and even beverages. Their seeds, arils, and juice bring a unique taste to many cuisines worldwide. Cultural significance. Pomegranates have deep cultural and symbolic significance in various cultures and religions. They are associated with fertility, prosperity, and health in many traditions, often symbolizing abundance and good fortune. Historical significance. Known as one of the oldest cultivated fruits, pomegranates have been revered for centuries. They've been featured in ancient mythology, artwork, and literature, representing life, regeneration, and longevity, seasonality, and growth. Pomegranates typically grow in warm climates and are in season during the fall and early winter in many regions. The fruit's tough outer skin protects the juicy arils inside, making it durable for transportation and storage. Multiple varieties. There are various cultivars of pomegranates, each with its unique taste, color, and seed characteristics. Some are sweeter, while others may have a more tart flavor. Health uses beyond consumption. Pomegranate extracts and oils are used in some cosmetic and skincare products due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, offering potential benefits for the skin. Symbol of health. Pomegranates have gained a reputation as a superfood due to their impressive nutritional profile. Their rich antioxidants and other beneficial compounds make them a popular choice for health-conscious individuals. Whether enjoyed for their taste, used symbolically, or embraced for their health benefits, pomegranates remain a significant and cherished fruit in various aspects of culture, cuisine, and wellness.